I repeat, every officer of the National Police Service, of the Kenya Defence Forces, and all the other disciplined forces who uses their weapons within the law, within the Constitution, in accordance with the standing orders, to protect themselves from being harmed by criminals, or to protect civilians and citizens from being harmed by criminals, the government of Kenya will stand behind you and protect you, and no one will harass you, not under the law of Kenya, not under international law. Usikubali maisha yako yachukuliwe na wewe umebeba hiyo silaha kujilinda na kulinda wananchi wa Kenya. Na tusijumuishe the kind of security operations that most of our officers do in countering the threat of terror, in countering dangerous criminals like armed bandits who have terrorized many people in our country. We must not confuse those operations with misuse of firearms by 1%, a very small minority of our officers who are tainting the image of the National Police Service and our other formations. Number 2, to our sisters, our children who have been left behind, no amount of speeches, no amount of sympathies can restore the loss you've gone through. Ours is just to tell you sincerely and honestly that we wish what happened never happened, but it did happen. And also, we'll make sure that as you have asked us to do through your representatives, we will make sure that we will improve on the capabilities of those who have been left in the service to make it impossible for criminals to harm officers wearing the uniform of our country.